Going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking a cylindrical wire has a resistance R and resistivity rho. If it has a length and if its length and diameter are both cut in half, what will be its resistance and what will be its resistivity? So let's do the first part first. So we have a part that is asking what is the new resistance. So let's look at the equation for this one. So the equation that is related to R and the resistance and resistivity is this one. R is equal to rho times L over A. So L is length, A is area, and rho is resistivity, and R is resistance. So here we are going to write everything in terms of L and area. So here let's rewrite this one into a different pattern. So here instead of A, for a wire, it's like a cylindrical shape, right? So the cross-sectional area is going to be circle. So the area is going to be equation of a circle. So here the area is going to be phi. Since we are dealing with diameter, we know that d by 2 is radians, right? So we are going to, the equation is phi r square. So d by 2 is going to be the radians, so d by 2 square is going to be d square by 4. So that's how we got this equation. Also we can write this one as, I can flip this 4 to the top. So this one will be 4 rho L over phi d square. This is when this wire is in original form. But then they are saying they have cut this one into half. And let's see what happened to the resistance. So they are cutting the diameter and length into half. So we are cutting both into half. So here we are going to have R is equal to, so let's say this R2. R2 is equal to rho times length by 2. So length cut into half, 2. And then phi d is cut into half, right? Before we had d by 2. Now we have d by 4. If we square this one, what will we get? We will get d square by 16. So this 16 is going to go on top. So this is going to be, and also here we have 2 right here. This goes to the bottom. So this is going to be 16 rho L over 2 phi d square. So here we can cancel this 16 and the 2 and make it 8, right? So this is going to be 8 rho L over phi d square. And if you notice this one, this is double of this one. Also you can write this one as 2 times 4 rho L phi d square, right? So this is going to be the new equation. And if this whole thing is equal to R. So if this is R, this is going to be 2 times R, right? I replace this value with R. So here the answer is going to be 2R. And what will be its resistivity? Resistivity is like a density. Like if you have water in a cup, if it's half cup or full cup, or no matter how much it has in a cup, the density is going to always remain the same, right? The same goes to resistivity. Resistivity does not depend on length or anything. So no matter how much they cut or whatever they do, it's going to be always the same. So here the resistivity is going to be rho. So that's going to be the answer for the second one, and that's how we do these kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.